Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raecreates and I love to create and experiment. And if you are new here, welcome to the family. So today's video is about how to make a simple DIY box by yourself. In my last video, I showed you how to gift yourself gift for the year, and in that same video, the box that was in that video, I made it myself. So I just wanted to show you how I made that box and how you can make one too. Also, Valentine is coming really soon. A lot of people will be giving out gifts, so now is perfect time to learn how to make a box if you want to know how to make one. So let us get right to the video.
Guys, I'm going to leave a list of all the materials needed in the description box, so please be sure to check them out. So the first thing you want to do is cut out your carton or cardboard into size. So the size I'm going to be using is 34 centimeter by 34 centimeter. Then for the sides with 34 centimeter by 11 centimeter. You don't have to specifically use this size, you can use any size that you want. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to wrap these different cartons into brown paper. Yes, I know the brown paper is rough, and that is because I am on some kind of budget. I decided I'm going to use all the DIY materials that I have in my house till I exhaust like all of them before buying more, because I realized that for a lot of things I've just been buying more, and I wanted to stop that. So I'm going to be using up all of the DIY materials I have in my house before buying more. So yours will definitely not be this rough, so don't bother about it, because we're still going to cover it up. Alright, so after wrapping up all of the different cardboards in brown paper, the bottom and the sides in brown paper, the next thing you want to do is tape all of it together. So we're going to tape the sides to the bottom. That is what you're going to do. So after taping the side to the bottom, you can now start arranging and forming the box, and also tape all the sides going upwards. there, we're done with the bottom of the box. See, it looks good. So the next thing you want to do is create the cover of the box. For the cover of the box, we're going to be using 34.5 centimeter by 34.5 centimeter, and for the sides we're going to be using 34.5 centimeter by 4 centimeter. And you're just going to repeat the same process like as you did the bottom. Wrap with brown paper or whatever paper that you have, wrap the sides, then tape along the sides and tape going upwards too. After which, now this is where you're going to start seeing the beauty of the box. Now you're going to cover up the box with whatever paper that it is that you have. I have this wrapping paper that I got, and that is what I'm going to be using to cover the box. I just cut them into size to fit around the side first, then I'm going to wrap the bottom. wrap around the side first on both sides. So the wrap paper is not so wide, so I have to do that twice. So after wrapping around the side on both sides, then this is the bottom piece. I'm just going to cut through the bottom piece to fit the bottom. And there, we're done with the bottom piece. Then for the top piece too, this time you don't have to wrap around the side because it's just a top piece and one of the papers can fit around it. We're done. with the box, and this is what it looks like. I absolutely love how it turned out. I used it to pack my gift box. If you've not seen my last video, please check it out. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box and also in the card above.
Guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and comment. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, peace.